Hi guys, sa video na to magkakaroon tayo ng mock test, specifically sa mga topic na to, adverb, preposition, and interjection. Kung aspiring Tri-Academy, MAAP, Civil Service, and other college entrance exam ka nga, pwedeng makatulong to sa'yo. Lalong-lalo na kung naghahanap ka ng mga free learning materials. 30 items nga ito na kailangan mong sagutan within 20 seconds. May kasama na nga din itong answers and explanation. Tara, simulan natin. The answer is letter C. He speaks softly. Explanation: an adverb of manner tell us how something is done. So, ang keyword, how something is done. Kung di pa kayo familiar sa adverb, ang adverb ay modifies adverb, verb, and adjective. Sa case na to, yung softly, minomodify niya yung verb na speaks. Correct answer is B, before the verb. Sa case na to, ang minomodify ng adverb ay yung word na goes. Then yung adverb ay makikita mo before the verb. So nandito siya. Ito yung verb, tas ito yung nagmo-modify sa kanya. The correct answer is letter C. Of all the students, she writes the most neatly. Pag sinabi kasing superlative adverb, siya yung pinapakita niya yung pinaka-highest level. The answer is B, he is very smart. Ang mga intensifier makes a word stronger. Other example ng intensifiers ay extremely, highly, absolutely, really, so, to, and etc. Correct answer is letter A. She sang the song beautifully. Adverb of manner tells how something is done. Yan yung keyword. Paano. Paano ginawa yung bagay. Other example ng adverb of manner ay slowly or quickly. The correct answer is D, outside. An adverb of place tell us where something happens. Ang adverb dito ay yung outside, then ang minomodify niya yung verb na playing or yung are playing. Correct answer is letter C. She rarely eats breakfast. Sa adverb of frequency, tandaan nyo lang yung how often something happens. Yan yung keyword. Rarely yung adverb natin, then ang minomodify niya yung verb na eats. Correct answer is letter A. She hardly knows him. An adverb of degree tell us how much or to what extent something happens. And ang minomodify niya yung verb na knows. The answer is letter B. She danced more gracefully than her sister. Obviously, sa sentence na to, mayroong nagkaroon ng comparison. At ang adverb na ginamit ay more gracefully. The answer is letter A. She loves chocolate, however, she is allergic to it. A conjunctive adverb connects two sentences and shows how they relate. Dito hindi specified kung anong word na minomodify. Ang minomodify niya dito yung relationship ng dalawang independent clause. Ito pala, bigyan ko kayo ng tip pag sumasagot sa mga ganitong mga tanong. Apply nyo yung process of elimination ng mga answers. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, yung B, C, and D, wala naman talaga siyang conjunction. Letter A lang. Kahit hindi ko alam yung topic na conjunctive adverb, kung logic lang ang gagamitin ko, alam ko letter A ang sagot. Kasi tingnan mo, dito wala namang conjunction. Dito wala din. Sa letter D, wala din, walang conjunction. So alam ko na ito yung sagot, letter A. Correct answer is letter B, never. Obvious naman yung sagot. Sa lahat ng word kanina, ito yung negative na word. The answer is letter B, they left before the rain started. An adverbial clause gives more information about the action. So yung action na tinutukoy dito, yung left. So yung adverbial clause dito, before the rain started. Correct answer is letter C, he sings in a loud voice. Explanation, an adverbial phrase gives more details about the action. Dito yung adverbial phrase ay in a loud voice. Anong pinagkaiba nito sa naunang question kanina, yung adverbial clause? Ang clause ay merong subject and verb. Samantalang itong phrase wala siya. Correct answer is letter B, she will definitely come to the party. Ang adverb certainty shows how sure we are about something. Another example nito, maliban sa definitely, probably, certainty, surely. Correct answer is letter A, the meeting is at 10 a.m. Ginagamit natin yung at kapag specific time ang tinutukoy natin. Correct answer is letter B. He is sitting under the tree. Okay, explain natin kung bakit mali yung mga ibang option. Sa letter A, she went in the store. Dapat, she went into. Sa letter B, yung tama. So, punta tayo sa letter C. They traveled between the country. Dapat ang correct word na ginagamit mo dito, traveled across. Letter D naman, preposition of time to. So, ang hinahanap natin, correctly uses preposition of place. Correct answer is letter A. She walked across the street. Correct answer, she walked into the room. Explanation, a compound preposition is made up of two or more words. Into is a combination of in and to. Correct answer is letter A. The book was written by her. Sa preposition of agency, pinapakita dito kung sino yung gumawa ng action. By, by tells us who wrote the book. Correct answer is letter B. They left because of the rain. A preposition of cause, reason, or purpose shows why something happens. Because of shows the reason they left. Correct answer is letter B. This is the book that I was talking about. A preposition in a relative cause shows the relationship with the subject. About relates to the book being talked about. Correct answer is B. She is good at painting. Some adjective needs specific preposition to make sense. Good goes with at to describe the ability. Correct answer is letter A. He depends on his friends. Some verbs need specific prepositions to make sense. Depends goes with on to show reliance. Correct answer D. The bottle is filled with water. A preposition of measurement shows the amount of something. With indicates what fills the bottle. Dapat na gamit dito sa letter A ay in. She has an interest in music. Letter B is the correct answer. Letter C, they showed respect on their teacher. Dapat hindi on, dapat for. Letter D, we have a love by animals. Dapat for ang gamit, hindi by. Correct answer is letter C. Hello, how are you? Interjection for greeting is a word we use to say hello. An interjection for attention is used to get someone's attention. Hey is used to make someone listen. Correct answer, letter B. Wow, I can't believe it. Wow is an example of interjection of surprise. Ito, correct answer, letter C. Absolutely agree. Correct answer, letter C. Absolutely, I agree. Very obvious naman to, interjection of agreement. Correct answer, letter C. Absolutely, I agree. Very obvious naman to, interjection of agreement. Then, andun na yung word na agree sa option. Another obvious answer, correct answer is letter C. Go on, you can do it. So yan, tapos na nga tayo. Kumusta? Nasagutan nyo ba lahat? Comment nyo naman yung score nyo. May mga natutunan ba kayo? Kung may mga gusto pa kayong topic na gusto nyong gawan ko ng mock test, comment nyo na lang. Huwag nyong kalimutan mag-subscribe and follow. Maraming salamat.